This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Greetings, my dear viewers. Today you'll need to decide a very important question. Which theme is the coolest? Outer space, the world under the sea, or fantasy creatures? To help you choose today, Sue and I will be opening these wonderful sets and create!
Hi, guys. Yes, I can't wait to see what's inside.
And you, dear viewers, please write. We'll make a video with the most popular theme.
Sam, what do you think? Which set should we start with?
Can't we open 3 at once?
Oh, no, Sammy, we can't.
Well, fine. Start with, this one.
Fantasy, all right.
Guys, while Susie is unboxing the set, can you recall which fantasy videos we have on our channel? For example, with a dragon or a unicorn? What's that? Tell me!
Well, here we have a transparent container, like this, with a lid to keep our finished product in. We also have a packet of special substance here, Gelfetti.
Jelly? Will it be edible?
No, not edible. It's decor.
Decor, I see.
Also have a bottle of coloring, so pretty, and a special mixing stick, a dropper to make magical bubbles, and of course, special figurines to create your own picture. But actually, you can add any figurines you like into the gel when it's ready.
Yeah?
But besides the items from the set, we will also need a 1-liter plastic bottle and distilled water.
What water?
Distilled. It means that it doesn't have any admixtures.
And are there distilled slimes?
What do you mean?
Well, without admixtures of, I don't know.
I haven't seen slimes like that, Sammy. Slimes are a mixture of things.
Oh, fine. Let's get started.
First, we need to make the mixture for the jelly base. Let's pour 480 milliliters of distilled water into the bottle and add the contents of the Gelfetti pack. There. To the last speck. Now let's close it tight. And shake the bottle well for about 20 seconds.
This reminds me of something. Samantha and I made best slime like that.
Oh? Well, that's not slime. We just need to mix it well, and it's the best way. There. Now let's pour our mixture into the container.
Looks a bit muddy.
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. The mixture will clear out after a while.
Well, if you say so.
Now we need to leave this mixture to set for 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes? What are we going to do the whole time?
Open the other 2 sets. This set is dedicated to the sea and mermaids.
Mermaids? Oh, wait here.
I am waiting. And meanwhile, I'll take everything out. By the way, each theme has its own color and set of figurines. How did that get here?
Look.
Ariel?
Well, yes, you know how much I like her. Guys, give a thumbs up if you've seen the video where we made a snow globe with Ariel. So, let's place her into that jelly thing.
Oh, well, I'm not sure she'll fit.
Well, try.
It's time to get back to the fantasy theme. 5 minutes are up, and it's time to add the coloring. There. Let's pour out all of it. And now we'll get our wand and mix it well.
Now what?
Now we need to wait again. 10 minutes.
Right, then I'll have time to do one important thing. Oh, you're so heavy! Oh, right. A mermaid, a dragon, a unicorn. Great! We only need... I'll be right back.
Right, I think it's set. Oh, what's all this? Sam!
Honey!
Wait, why are you bringing the space game here?
Well, we're going to create a picture.
Sam, how are you going to place this dragon, for example, into the container?
Well, we'll press it in. The dragon's cool.
No arguing there. I think our viewers can even remember the video where we made it. But it won't fit. Let's use the figurines from the set.
Well, I just wanted to help our viewers choose which theme is the coolest. You guys are choosing, right?
I think our sets will be enough to help them with their choice. Let's see. Yes! Great! The gel has set, and it's become so pretty and transparent. Time to place the No, Sam. Let's create a pretty picture with the figurines inside the container. We'll use the half circle end of the wand for that.
Right.
Sam?
I'm calculating the ideal proportions for placing the figurines.
Oh, well, thanks, but I think I'll just eyeball it. It's coming out all right, yeah?
Well, fine, I agree that it isn't bad, but something's missing.
Bubbles!
Oh, yeah!
I'll use a special dropper to create pretty bubbles inside. I'll add a bit here. And there.
And here, Susie! Here!
All right. And a bit more. And done.
Beautiful unicorns, dragons. Oh, I love that theme.
And mermaids?
Them too!
Let's create the picture under the sea.
You do that, and I'll go deal with space. This craft has to have my slime hand on it!
Go on. The world under the sea is done.
And the space picture, too.
Sam! So pretty. Well done.
Thank you.
So guys, time to make your final choice.
Vote for one of these themes. Space adventures, under the sea and mermaids, dragons and unicorns. It would be great if you write why you like that theme. I'll read all of your comments.
Give a thumbs up if you like today's video, and if it gets to 5,000 thumbs up, we'll make another video with a craft like this. Bye-bye!
Sue, are you sure the dragon won't fit? Maybe sideways, huh? Sue!
Guys, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be the first to learn about new videos.
Oh, guys deserve any attention. Just pretend I'm not here.
Not even a cuddle can help her. Let's just say that she thinks everyone has forgotten her birthday.
It's her birthday?
So you did forget.
Nobody told us.
Oh no, this is awful! Okay, we need to think of a great idea to make today the best birthday Elizabeth ever had!
Exactly. We'll throw her a big party.
Oh, I have big news, big news! Oh, I can't talk about it. Oh, yes, I can! Shasha, what is it? I saw a troubadour's boat! A troubadour! Apparently, he's on his way to Magic-y, and I saw him with a guitar! Tonight! He's probably coming to give a special private concert for you! Oh, it's so exciting!
A concert tonight?
I have a great idea! Elizabeth! How would you like to have a concert to celebrate your birthday?
A concert for my, for me?
Shasha, invite the whole kingdom to the concert in honor of Countess Elizabeth! Bye!
Sydney, be honest. Do you prefer this side or this side?
Ah! Princesses! There you are! I have amazing, exceptional, fantastic...
Out with it already!
Dare if you insist! Tonight, a concert will be held at Billy's Castle, featuring a troubadour. He's called Trumpet. With a name like that, he must be fun, right? See? You must come! I can't wait. I have to tell everyone else.
Hold on! In the meantime, we'll just make 1 or 2 little changes to the invitation. Okay, Jaja, you can go and invite everyone. But, you know the concert is now at our castle, not Billy's.
Oh dear. I'll have to go back and tell everyone again. Bye!
me that a troubadour is going to sing for Elizabeth and the rest of the kingdom. He's going to sing for us and for us alone. Find us that troubadour!
Balloons? Oh, this can't be for my little old birthday. Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're such a kidder.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Hello, everyone. Can I borrow some chairs? Zsa Zsa has invited so many people to the Twin Princesses concert that we've run out of seats.
Huh? The Twin Princesses concert? What are you talking about?
Aren't you getting mixed up with this concert?
I'm not mixed up. They're having a troubadour concert. The invitation is very clear. He's called Crumpet, I think. Or Trumpet. I can't remember.
Huh?
Sounds like Zsa Zsa got things mixed up again.
Oh, Zsa Zsa! Zsa Zsa!
You do know she never comes when you really need her.
We have to find her before she invites everybody to the wrong concert.
And we'd better do it fast, or there won't be anyone here for Elizabeth's birthday.
Zsa Zsa! Yo! You called? Yes, we were getting worried. I think you've got a bit mixed up with the invitations. The concert is here, not at the Twin Princesses castle. Really? But I just followed what it says on the poster.
Huh, it's another one of the twins' mean tricks.
But how are they going to organize a concert without Trumpet the Troubadour? He's coming to play a concert here, invited by our princess, right? Isn't he, Billy?
Huh? A trumpet concert without Trumpet? You're right. It doesn't make any sense.
Help!
What's going on?
That must be him. The sound's coming from the harbor.
It's a concert for my birthday.
So, where is he then?
Trumpet the Troubadour was arrested for entering the twins' territory carrying a guitar, something which has been against the law since half hour ago.
But I always play guitar. Please do something, Your Highness. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Stop!
Poor thing! He's being held prisoner!
Look! Concert confirmed. Tonight only. We have to rescue Trumpet the Troubadour!
And make sure that Countess Elizabeth gets her birthday party!
Yeah!
What?
Look, they're holding him prisoner over there. The problem is those fur balls guarding him.
The area is secure. Yes. Yes, we can start the concert soon.
That's odd. There's his guitar way over there.
So, they're having a concert without a guitar?
How can he play the guitar if he's all tied up? Wait! I have an idea! Truman, you go on stage and play guitar. Come with me!
Sir, no one's allowed on stage.
Relax. I'm the guitar player. The concert is about to start, isn't it?
It's a concert. Someone's got to play the guitar. Guitar's allowed. Let him in.
Huh? I'm here to set you free. I'm gonna play guitar. You're going to sing. Huh? Excuse me, but I'm just.
Right on time! Oh, I can't wait! Oh! He said that he's what? I can't hear
I think you have the wrong person. I'm not a singer or a rock star. In fact, I'm a terrible singer.
you! What? What does that mean?
This? I'm an igloo salesman. I have no idea what made you think I'm a rock star.
What? You're not Trumpet the Troubadour?
I have a guitar because I use it in my job, selling igloos. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall.
You call this a concert?
Now what are we going to do for Elizabeth's birthday party?
Are you sure about this?
Yes, together for Elizabeth. Countess Elizabeth, I know you are expecting Trumpet the Troubadour, but plans sort of changed. This is our birthday gift for you.
What?
Girl, you'll always be a friend to me. Whenever we're together, you will see that when friends can laugh together through good or bad, whatever. Together, we're better, better than me. Together, we're better, better than me.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. That was very rude to take those tickets out of our hands.
Well, it's rude not to invite your sisters to see their favorite singer.
Actually, look in the envelope. There are 4 tickets. I was going to invite you guys too.
What?
But we need to go right now, or else we'll be late.
Really? Right now? We can't go to a Boober concert dressed like this.